Now, we run yarn start in our VS Code terminal. If yarn start was successful, a QR code will be generated in the VS Code terminal. Let's go through Expo Go on our phones. Visit the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, key in Expo Go. I have mine installed. You should do same. Once installation is complete, open Expo Go. Create an Expo Go account if you do not have one already. In the Expo Go app, press on Scan QR code and point the scanner to the QR code generated in the VS Code terminal. Now wait for the Metro bundler to bundle the JavaScript code. On our screen, we have open up app.js to start working on your app. Just as we have in our VS Code, in our text component, we have open up app.js to start working on your app. So you can see that we have our app right here on our phone as we start our development process. So in the next episode, we are going to go through how to do this same process by using the second option, which is the Android emulator. See you in the next episode.